Hi everyone, Marisa Stone here with Simon Says Social and the Systems Lounge, and I want to welcome you today to the Business Systems Virtual Summit. And right now I want to talk with you about one of the most important components inside this summit, and that is the All Access Pass. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, oh, well, I don't really need that. I'm going to be able to keep up. It's no big deal. I got this. But let me tell you what's going to happen. And we've all been there. We all have seen this before. You know, you go into this summit thinking, no problem. I'm going to make sure that I can attend every session the minute it's live and or catch the replay within that 24-hour period. But inevitably what happens is life takes over, right? And we get busy, or we forget, or we are working with a client, or we're dealing with a sick child, or something else comes up that interrupts our ability to be able to attend that session that we absolutely wanted to see, or that series of sessions that we absolutely wanted to see. The All Access Pass is going to be available at 3 different price points throughout the course of the summit. The first price point is the early bird pricing, which is what you see on your screen right now. Inside that All Access Pass, you are going to get over 50 informative sessions that are going to help you get your business systems in place so that you can put your business on autopilot and get back to those things that you really love doing. It's working with your clients, dealing with people, talking to people, engaging with people. All of those things that you really love to do, not running the back end stuff that really should be automated anyway, right? Am I right? Let's talk a little bit about what you get inside the All Access Pass. Not only do you get access, lifetime access to all of the free sessions that you already get with your free ticket, but you get the transcripts to all of those. On top of that, you get all the recordings of all the advanced sessions inside the summit. That's the Power Up Advanced Sessions, the Word Up Advanced Sessions, the Bank Up Advanced Sessions, the Show Up Advanced Sessions, and the Step Up Advanced Sessions. That is some amazing content right there. But not only do you get those sessions, you get the transcripts to those sessions. So if you happen to want to go back and look over something or figure out what somebody said, it's all right there for you. The other thing that you get inside the All Access Pass is you get access to some special offers that nobody else is going to get. These aren't available anywhere else on the net because I get it. I know how difficult it is to put systems together. Now, I'm not going to tell you what those packages are yet. You're going to have to wait and see. I understand how difficult it is to not only learn about a system, but then take the necessary steps in order to be able to implement it. And I want to make sure you're successful. I got your back. You will have access to those packages. Nobody else on the net has access to them. Only attendees who purchase the All Access Pass will get access to those packages. The other thing that you're going to get is access to our private Facebook community. Now, this is a space where you can come and ask questions and have conversations. If you're struggling with trying to get something working in your business, or you're trying to integrate some tools together to really get things running, this is your place to go, where you have somebody that's listening and that's answering those questions. So make sure, if you do nothing else today, that you snag your All Access Pass. This may very well be the most important purchase you make all year. Grab that All Access Pass and make sure that you secure your seat. Looking forward to seeing you guys inside the summit and inside that All Access Pass. See you soon.